What's inside these grab bags? Stay tuned. Hi, Grandma Bev here, and welcome back to my channel. Well, as you know, and you've heard it many times, I do all kinds of videos on all kinds of things. And one thing I like to find are like in the thrift stores where they have these kind of what you call grab bags, you know, and so whatever's in that bag you get, and it's for a small little price. So the thrift store I go to up in Washington always has these labeled grab bags for $2.99. So I wasn't sure if I'd be able to find any down here in Yuma, so I bought a whole bunch of them up there and brought them down with me. So I'm going to do 4 of them with you today. So let's get started. This one already kind of poked a little hole in it. So let's see what's in here. I need a little swig of lemon water here. Lemon water, good for the kidneys. I drink every day. Okay. Well, first off, here's from the Polsbo Yacht Club, and this is one of those, you know, salad. You want to mix up your salad, so it looks like somebody gotten it in Polsbo. Wonder if they had 2 and they got separated. Poor things. So, this I'm going to give away. I mean, really give away to one of you guys, not just dump them off on the Goodwill. And let's see. Oh, silly me. Here's the other one. So you get a full set. So that's nice. They don't still smell like wood, but that's a giveaway. Let's poke them out. Oh, this is cute. What is that sticking out? A little birdhouse. Well, you wouldn't put the birdhouse on like that. So I guess you just kind of poke it in the little hole there and have them peeking out. That is cute. Gotta admit, that is cute. I think I'm going to put that in a giveaway also. So that was the first bag. Let's try one of these yellow and white striped ones. Whatever it is, it's only one thing, and it's in the box. It says, for your ease only. Uh-oh. 24-piece floating gel candle refill tea lights. Huh. They are sticky gel. They don't smell. They're like different colors. There's a red one, red, purple, I've got green, yellow. Put this in, down in there. Yeah, I'll use them because I, you know, when we do our little happy hours, I've got all kinds of things out there, and we're not supposed to light candles. So I like to get all these little fakey guys, put them inside all my little holders I've been picking up. So that's the keeper. Boy. Excuse me. I'm looking out. Then we'll try this blue bag. Shiny. Be funny if there's something in here that I gave to them. Oh. Well, this is a nice little makeup bag. Now the big question is, has anybody used it? If they did, they didn't use it for much because this is pretty clean inside. Just has a little musty smell. That's going to go to Carly's girls. And they've got some little plates. I don't know where they're from. Well, this is Japanese because it's Japanese writing underneath it. Cute little dish. You know, like a little trinket holder. And then there's one. Oh, this one is handmade in Greece. It's got the guy's name, number 319. Kind of nice. And you can hang it on your wall. It's got a little hook. Well, I don't know if I should want to give that away or not. We'll see. Then they got these two. This is melamine, or whatever you want to call it. Let's see. I can't read it. Product something. Oh, it's a pretty little setting. What do you think? And then this one is the same thing, same company. This kind of looks like a painting by Van Gogh. So I'm going to give those away too. And I mean give away, not video. So here comes the last one. Oh, this is the head. Well, what is this? Some kind of a kid's toy head. I always like to smell things. I want to see if it smelled like that new rubber. You know, it kind of smelling me. So it looks like he's holding a slingshot. So unless you can tell me that this means something, it's gonna go to the Goodwill. Oh boy, I'm getting tired of this. What the heck? Well, I know these are going to the Goodwill. It's two decks of cards. Waterproof. Who's going to go underwater and play cards? Easy to shuffle, flexible, hand washable, easy to shuffle, 100% waterproof. Goodwill. So that's that. Gosh. Who was you say gosh and golly and gee whiz? So I'm keeping a good amount of stuff and I'm giving away. And giveaway stuff. Which I've got a couple of giveaways going on right now. So, you know, some of you may see this pop up in them. So, I get really tired a week after I have a coughing spell. I had some ideas I want to throw around at the pulmonary guy down here, being he's down here. Some of the things that maybe are more localized or that you can pick up when you're down in the Southwest. So, please comment below, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you are all having a terrific day. I love you all. Bye.